The Renegade I-Series 3624 WRD pass-through conveyor parts washer. 6-bag filter assembly for each wash and rinse cycle. 15 horsepower heavy-duty pump for each wash and rinse cycle. Large, user-friendly HMI. Wash and rinse stages can be configured in any order. Clean and dry parts transported via inline belt conveyor for wash stage, rinse stage, and dry stage. Spray manifolds with precisely positioned nozzles for upper, lower, and side direction deliver high volume force for maximum cleaning. 840-gallon tank volume for each stage. Conveyor tunnel cleaning systems are designed for high production, repetitive cleaning operations. Heated dry cycle. Conveyor types include variable speed flat wire belt, roller, or cart transport. Wash stage compartment. The combination of high heat and high pressure delivers superior cleaning. Rinse stage compartment. Dry stage compartment. Production process operations demand reliable and consistent cleaning of parts and components. A pass-through parts washer can be used for continuous product flow. Industrial parts cleaning applications include aviation and aircraft parts cleaning, contract machining, precision part manufacturing, remanufacturing facilities, and more. Renegade I-Series custom-designed parts washers for production process cleaning. Production process operations demand reliable and consistent cleaning of parts and components. Renegade industrial parts washers are custom designed for your production cell. The Renegade industrial parts washers reduce labor and increase operational efficiency. Renegade parts washers are designed to work with Renegade detergents for maximum cleaning without residue buildup. Renegade parts washers and detergents. Made with pride in the USA. Call 1-800-774-7900. Visit renegadepartswashers.com.